Hello, what is your name?
I'm Rodilisa Paranyo,
How old are you?
30 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
I have two boys, 9 years old and 10 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 3 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
I have 2 years experience in Singapore.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
9 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Polam.
How many square feet of your employer's
700
house?
square feet.
How many family members there?
2 adults and 1 elderly.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up around 6:30 in the morning, then we start to clean the house, and then around 8 o'clock we have to wake the popo up, and then help her to wash her face, and then feed her around 8:30. And then at 8:30 I will go in the market, and then when I come back I have to prepare the food for lunch, because at 10 o'clock we have to bring Popo down in the garden to have some exercise. And then I have to start to feed her around 12 o'clock, and then at 3 o'clock we are going to bring her to the bedroom to take a nap, and then at 8 o'clock we already bring her to bed, and my work finish around 10 o'clock in the evening, and it's my rest time.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Around 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.